Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure in one of the most beautiful cities in Spain. Can you guess where we are? That's right, we're in the captivating city of San Sebastián. San Sebastián, also known as Donostia in Basque, is a true gem of the Basque country. From its charming historical buildings to its world-renowned cuisine, this city has it all. So, lace up your walking shoes, because we're going on a walking tour to explore the best of San Sebastián.
So the end of the 19th century they made the first project to make the city bigger. So they made this part, this is what we call Cortázar area, because the name of the architect was Cortázar. And then, beginning of the 20th, etc., this area, what we call Ross area. The only bridge they used to have was there. And this one in the middle. Then, the beginning of the 20th century, they made the next one, and during the 20s, this one. Only the three. The rest we can see everywhere are completely new and modern. And this kind of building, great. Attention with the car. On the shape of the rock, you see, is the Congress and Music Hall.
Is that the modern?
That's it, the modern thing designed by Rafael Moneo, an architect from Spain. So the idea is to reproduce the big pieces of stone on the rocks.
Oh, is that where that comes from? Because it looks so out of place amongst everything else.
Tonight is much better because everything has a light inside.
I saw last night. I was walking there last night.
But during the day, it's true that
but even at night, it's still
for these romantic areas we call this.
Even at night, it doesn't look all that. Yeah.
So
good.
It's the Congress and Music Hall, and it's important because San Sebastián we have every year the International Film Festival.
I heard about this.
After Venice, everybody comes here.
Yeah.
And then years ago, everything was made here and the theater in front of it.
I saw that here.
So this is the headquarters for the stars of Hollywood. So everybody stays here as you. And at the very beginning, in the 50s, they crossed walking to the theater, which is now
So
with
it's
the
very
scaffolding.
Yeah.
Then now they make with cars to the other side of the bridge, and then they walk. So everything is made there. Everything is done in there. And this was always the main entrance to the city. But now with the cars and the buses, etc., they opened the other area because it was easier.
They sent us out this door last night or yesterday afternoon. They sent us out this door to go to the beach, and we went to the big beach.
That's
the one that way. Yeah, we walked all along there. Very crowded yesterday.
So this is the Diputación Palace. This is a very important building because this is one of our most important institutions. To separate the new and the old town. So this area is water. We had it till the end of 19th century. The Queen signed the permission to demolish the walls and make the new city in 1865. So that's how we have three buildings from the past. The rest is completely new. In area.
So there was bullfighting in here?
That's it. They put, the round thing for the bulls.
Yeah.
And you could have a box in the buildings. We don't use them anymore, but they kept the numbers. So that's how. And then you have the coat of arms over the clock, the boat, the ship, and this is the coat of arms. One you have. The town hall and people on the balcony. So they put everything around.
That's really cool.
This is the name of the again. This was a small church. There was already a church in the 14th century, and this was for sailors.
This was
For the fishermen, the sailors, and this were the place where they learn the new ones, the young people. And then it was made bigger and bigger. And the 18th century they added the facade, the Baroque facade, but we have to go a little further
to really see it. Yeah.
So it's dedicated to Santa Maria del Coro, Seminary of the Coro, remember? And San Sebastián, which is at the top. Because both are, let's say, the saints, patron saints of the
For the sea, yeah.
What are the arrows inside the person? Who's
the
that?
arrows. San Sebastián was a saint, and in fact he was a Roman soldier who was killed because he was converted to Christianism. So he was condemned to die on the arena with the arrows. So that's why he has the arrows. And it's very used in Spanish art during the 16th, the 18th century, San Sebastián, because he is represented naked. And it was the only way to make in this Catholic country a naked body. So with the muscles, so that's why
He was what?
naked, without clothes, naked.
But they couldn't, because it was a Catholic country and it was the old times, they couldn't
They
represent
couldn't
nakedness,
represent naked people.
except in that saint.
But,
So it gave him a chance to show off.
So that's why San Sebastián and Jesus Christ were always.
It's a rubber ducky store?
Hola.
I'm going to get something that represents Oh, we have to get the Torado duck. I missed this duck. We have to get
Oh,
this
definitely. We have to.
for our duck collection. What do you think?
Sure.
I think that's just adorable. Cute. So cute. This will look wonderful in our collection.
And you also have, you see? At the wall they have photos of the old people. Have a look at the naked.
Yeah.
Disgusting looking.
What are they?
Eels.
Baby eels?
Yep. With pepper.
My God.
Yeah, she needs to try that.
With the barnacles are the one of the best things to eat.
With barnacles.
I had enough at Marie.
What do you like?
I like chocolate.
Con churros?
With churros?
Sure. You want with churros?
Sure.
Sure. We could all share with churros.
Which?
Okay.
¿Cuántos churros?
Sí,
¿Cómo
una
va? ¿Cómo va?
ración, 6 churros.
¿6 con el chocolate?
Sí.
So, ¿cada chocolate tiene 6 churros?
No,
Vale. Chocolate por un lado.
Un chocolate con churros, 6 churros
Okay.
con chocolate.
Okay, so do you, they put 6 churros? It's enough for
Yeah,
tasting?
yeah.
Yo creo que I think so. 6
But-
churros, una
but
ración
3 chocolates.
y 3 chocolates. El mío uno pequeñito. The small is okay for you?
Yeah.
But that is bigger, eh?
Yeah.
But apparently, when we don't say
Hot chocolate in the middle of the summer
I need to take a picture of the hot chocolate.
with some churros.
after
really
Mugarich,
good.
say after Mugarich.
After Mugarich, especially. Food that actually tastes good. Woohoo! I love this. Chocolate.
Chocolate con churros.
But this place is called a chocolateria, where you get chocolate that is not milk, but just pure melted chocolate. Oh, it's so good. And then you get the churros, and you're actually meant to drink this, not just dip in it. So good. And then you get the crispy churro, and you dunk it in there. See, look, we're dunking. See, dunking. So good. And then you eat it. Man. And this is how food's supposed to be. It's supposed to taste good. And this does.
Churros over there, the hotel. And they have a nice bar for a drink. Like,
Oh, I can way up there.
you have the castle of La Mota. Now we have the sculpture of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, like in Bilbao. It was the fashion, let's say, to protect the cities. This is the neighborhood for the fishermen. We still have a small port. By the end, you have the aquarium. This is a very small but very well-known aquarium. Where you can see the last whale, the body, let's say, the skeleton of the last whale which was here because we were whale hunters.
And that wraps up our incredible walking tour of San Sebastián. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful city with us and experiencing the mouth-watering flavors of Basque cuisine. San Sebastián truly is a destination that delights all your senses. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences in San Sebastián, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel and food explorations from around the world. Until next time, amigos, remember, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep embracing the beauty of this amazing world. Hasta luego.
They've tied a lot of those together because they split.
Yeah, well, she said that's their natural growth, how they grow.
It's the
starting-
oldest. You see, the new ones are very steady.
Yeah,
So when they are older.
starting to drop. Starting to drop. I hear some heavy drake.